Hi everyone, welcome back to Chatting Around. I made a promise that I would only buy the Aurora Mini Q Posket last time. I don't even know why I made that promise because I knew I was going to go back and get the other two. So 2 weeks later, I was back at the store due to my burning desire to complete the volume collection. And I just couldn't leave Aurora just standing there all by herself on her shelf. So I got Ariel and Snow White. Now, I also learned that you can get a stamp card. So this one here, where any purchase over $20 earns a stamp towards a 10% discount. Now, that doesn't really sound like much given that the imported goods are pretty expensive, but something is better than nothing when I know for sure that I will be returning to that store in the very near future. Anyway, enough of me talking. Let me just speed unbox these and get the girls out. So here they are, and let me just say that it was very hard to screw on Snow White's head, and I pretty much almost broke off her waistline, but I was luckily able to sort of push it back into place. Again, like Mini Aurora, I really loved the design and the level of detail from the eyes, the dress creases, and my favorite is really Ariel's hair. I particularly love the way they capture how the hair floats like it does underwater, and this is similar to how they style Ariel's hair in the bigger version. And it was actually one of the main features that attracted me towards purchasing the Q Poskets in the first place. And let's look at the base here. Not a lot of scratches, maybe a little bit on the side, but overall looks very sleek and shiny. And I'll just grab Aurora to join the gang, and that completes the volume 4 of the Disney Princess Mini Q Posket collection. I'm sure there will be plenty more coming out this year, including the main ones. Not great news for my wallet, but certainly pleases my inner love for Disney. And that's it. If you like the content of my videos, please hit the subscribe button. Until next time, bye!